Welcome to our guide on programming an electronic speed controller purchased from AliExpress with a transmitter stick. In this video, we'll show you how to become a pro in just a few easy steps. So if you're a remote control enthusiast who wants to learn how to program your ESC with the transmitter stick, this tutorial is for you. First, let's talk about the basics and benefits of using a transmitter stick. The transmitter stick is a key component in programming your ESC, as it allows you to communicate with your ESC and adjust its settings to your liking. Without a transmitter stick, programming your ESC would be nearly impossible unless you have an applicable programming card. Exploring the process of programming this ESC begins here. Before you start, make sure the transmitter is actually bound to the receiver. This is to establish a solid connection between the transmitter stick, which you would be using. You're going to make sure the transmitter stick is all the way in the up maximum position, and ensure the throttle trim is set to the minimum position all the way down. And also ensure you know the cell count of the LiPo that you are using and that's connected to the ESC, because you're going to need to know which parameter to select with that information. So we're going to be going over the 6 possibilities of programming groups. There's the red diamond group, the green pentagon group, the blue triangle group, the orange square group, the pink heart group, and the star light blue group. So respectively, they're all basically configurable parameters that we'll be reviewing, and I think this will be instrumental in helping you decide which parameter you want to alter on your remote control vehicle, on your brushless remote control vehicle. In this demonstration, we will be going over the 80 amp version of this particular ESC. So stay tuned for the next slide. I'll have this legend up so it'll be convenient for all of you viewers that are listening to the tone, the execution of the tone, as you understand how the chart works. The 6 programming groups, each color-coded with a unique tone series, looping 3 times before moving on. We'll start with the red diamond and go beyond, covering most of the menus, but this video isn't just a step-by-step guide. It's designed to challenge you to follow along, absorb the lesson, and become a pro. So grab your transmitter and buckle up and let's get started. Okay, we're starting the programming mode. Throttle stick is all the way up. We're on the red diamond tones. It'll repeat 3 times. Moving it to the middle position stick of throttle will enter the red diamond menu. Each selection will repeat 3 times as well, tone-wise. Third row down. Second time. Third time. We selected that one by moving the stick up. So that's programmed in. That was a 6-cell lithium battery. Okay, see, every time we program something in, it goes back to the red diamond to start over again. So now we're on the green pentagon. Blue triangle now. Okay, we've entered the blue triangle by going middle stick. We're on the no break selection. No actions made. We went on to the soft braking. Okay, we triggered it the third time. We programmed in soft braking. Back to red diamond. That's the third time. Going into green pentagon. Blue triangle. Orange square. Second time. Pink heart. Third time, pink heart. Middle stick. Going into pink heart menu. First selection is bypassed. 7-degree 6 to 8 pole motors. That's bypassed. 15-degree for 10 to 14 pole outrunning motors. That's the second time. Going all the way to 30 degrees, bypass 15 degrees. That's the second time around. Okay, we programmed in 30 degrees. Going back to red diamond. Green pentagon. Skipping green pentagon. Orange square. Pink heart. Blue star, or light blue star. Okay, we bypassed the 8 kilohertz and entered the 16 kilohertz. Looks like we selected the 16 kilohertz by going throttle stick from middle to up, or max, and bring the throttle stick all the way back down to exit the programming. Notice I pulsed the throttle, nothing happened. Disconnecting it. I shouldn't have brought the throttle stick up. I'm just going to start up normal, so throttle stick to the minimum position. Acknowledged. There you go. There you have throttle. So programming electronic speed controllers, or ESCs, can be a complex task. Digging deep into these menus takes practice, so it's important to focus and repeat the process. Only then will you attain true enlightenment when it comes to programming these devices. Before you begin, take the time to understand what parameters you'd like to set, as this will help guide your programming decisions.